Look at this room, it's gorgeous.
Thanks.
I never thought a guy would have a bedroom like this.
I'm very proud of it.
Did you decorate it yourself?
Oh yes, after watching the Diva channel and designing women.
I like your taste.
But you haven't even.
What?
Nothing. I thought you were talking about something else.
So, did you just get me up here to show me your decorating skills?
No, I brought a couple of goodies back from the construction site.
Oh really?
Sure did. A couple of what the guys call marital aids.
Ooh, sounds interesting. I can't wait. Am I gonna get drilled?
You sure are.
My turn.
Oh, that feels so good.
What else do you have in there?
I was going to save this for last, but...
My turn. Good thing we were wearing our hard hats. Someone might have gotten hurt.
You can say that again.
You arsehole!